channel. So I'm getting ready to go to an event, but I have to take my faux locks out first because I've been tugging on them to see if I could just pull them. So yeah, I have to take these out and wash my hair, but I'm putting on this Vpart that I got for Unice. I'm actually going to a Unice event, but this is the Vpart. It's a Yaki Vpart. I forget how many inches it is, but it's super full. So I'm going to leave it like blown out like this so I don't have to put that much heat on my natural hair because I just cut my heat damage off that I messed up from wearing Vparts in the past. So yeah, my hair in the front is like probably like this long because I cut it. So I don't want to go through that again, so I'm going to leave it blown out, and I'm just going to use this tiny rod and do the whole hair kind of big like that. That's what I'm hoping in my mind. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to just pull these bad boys out and then wash my hair, come back and put this unit on.
Back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 5 when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running.
Okay, that was pretty easy. That was very easy, not pretty easy. That was crazy. That had to take like 3 minutes. It had to take 3 minutes. So now I'm just gonna untwist my little twist and then go wash my hair.
Too hard, don't stay too close. You gon' fuck around the town. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. As soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night in the
Obviously, I'm doing my makeup right now. I forgot I was talking in this video. My hair is dripping down my neck. Oh my goodness.
Too hard, don't stay too close. You gon' fuck around the town. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. As soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
Every other night another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm going another slave. I had that shot that too many bitches getting saved. Yes, I rest me, so I took a private plane. Get like a wild working on my hand. You too hard to the car, to the center, to the ground, I can better spell the name. You too hard, touching on the floor, you gon' walk around the drum, try to run it away.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. As soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. As soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. As soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
This combo, I don't know what it is. Makeup lasts all day.
Bankroll, I should probably let it go. Wonder what it was, it's cold. Said you let me, wasn't joking. It's the way it was. Bankroll, I should probably let it go. Wonder what it was, it's cold.
Is that too light?
Said you let me, wasn't joking. It's the way it was.
Makeup's done. So now I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair out. I'm going to use my Rev Air. Oops, sorry. I'm going to use this bad boy because it works fast and it gets my hair straight. So I'm going to use, I bought a big color out finally because my small one is not even right there. I don't know where it is. So I'm going to use this as my heat protectant.
They say time heals.
this fool Anthony right here, and he said, listen,
I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. Lately she been noticing he ain't me. If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better with time.
Best kept secret.
They say time is, she can't see her life without me, she's so blasted.
Okay, nice and blow dried. And now it's time to put the wig on, finally. Y'all look at my short pieces that I cut. But why did I do that? I was supposed to just keep riding it or like finger coiling it until it grew out more, and I cut it off.
That nigga, you can tell him that you must be. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Lately she been noticing he ain't me.
So I have to leave a little more hair out because my hair is really fine, so you can always see like when I put like clip-ins and stuff. So that is not in the, is that in the middle? And then I like to take like a piece right here because, well, one of my nails is broke, but because I can't braid my own hair when my nails are this long, I just do 2 individuals on the side. Like leave a little bit out right here and then just braid this.
I wish that we can change places. Don't want no ooh, fantasy. She got my heartbeat racing.
And for me, this just keeps like the clips from sliding all the way down because I'm not braiding my hair up. So this is like, they just go in here and then they can't really move. If that makes sense?
Let's say time is, don't go build a life without me, cause you must be. Oh, and I don't wanna go unless you make me.
Pretty face, pretty tempting, but pretty taught me ugly lessons. Pretty had me giving more than I was getting. So pretty don't come with something more than I did it. Shame to tell my friends how much I do for you, cause they know that you would never do the same for me. I wasn't looking for your secrets, they just came to me. And they contradicted everything you claim to be. I took you to the club and you hugged on somebody that I know. And I know them type of hugs.
So I just really use this to like keep my braids down. Oh, and this one has a band in it now. Okay, that didn't work. So I got this in a small. I always have to get my Vparts and Uparts in a size small, and they just fit better, like even though my head is not really that small.
Same shit I do to women when I know I used to fuck. And I know they with they niggas, but they never brought it up. I'm down these days, down to do better, cause you know I done enough. You should lay it down, talk about it when you up. She don't wanna go to sleep, she ain't.
I wish that we can change places. Don't want no ooh, fantasy. She got my heartbeat racing.
Okay, so I'm gonna leave it and then I'm going to rod it. Now I'm thinking it's gonna take forever because this rod is so small and it has a shortage in it, so ignore my little rinky-dink situation. This might take forever.
They say time is, don't go build a life without me, cause you must be. And I don't wanna go unless you make me. Down on my knees on me.
Okay, so the roots are a little too puffy, so I need to either flat iron or press them. Haven't decided.
They say time. Better tell that nigga you mine. Heard you been crying, I tried to lie. Girl, tell me you lied. Let me be that pussy up one more time. Let me be that pussy up one more time.
There we go. So yeah, I like this better. Like the roots were too, like they do that weird crinkle situation. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the back like that because I'm not gonna go back over it.
I know that you think about it. I know that you did not forget. So don't go to sleep. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. I wish that we can change places. Don't want no fantasy. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is, don't go build a life without me, cause
all done. I missed a few pieces in the back. I seen it already, but I don't have time to fix them. So this is what it looks like. So much hair, super soft too. Like,
Whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of creeps, and I wanna see what you do. They say time. I'm full of bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of creeps, and I wanna see what you do.
Ready? Opening.
We ready?
Yes.
All right, yes. Let's do it. Woo! Nice salon. Open my business.
But I want to encourage you all to make sure that you're taking care of the hair that's underneath your installs and underneath your wigs. I want to do a little bit of research and make sure that what we get fits us and that we're getting something that we're going to feel is worth our money. But even with that, I stress the importance of hair care, and that's what we do here. We make sure that shampoo, conditioning, and all that is included with the service. So often, and I know you guys are used to it, having to shampoo and blow dry your hair before you get there.
It's so cute.